What if you hear a sound when you press the brake? Let's express the causes and solutions. Do you feel uneasy when you hear a screech or clatter sound while pressing the brake while driving? In fact, many drivers experience this common symptom at least once. But if left unattended, it could lead to bigger problems. Today, I will easily explain the reasons for brake noise and how to deal with it. First, why does brake noise occur? Brake noise mostly occurs during the friction process between the pads and the discs. However, the cause can vary depending on the type of sound and the situation. First of all, when you hear a sharp metal sound like screeching due to worn brake pads, it could be because the pads are almost completely worn down, and the metal inside is directly touching the disc. If left unattended for a long time, it can damage the disc as well, leading to increased repair costs. In the case of a car that has been parked for a long time, dust or rust can accumulate on the brakes, causing a grinding noise for the first few times, which often disappears naturally while driving. Don't worry about temporary noise. However, if it continues, a check is necessary. Also, if a similar sound is heard regularly, it may indicate a poor disc condition due to thermal deformation, and the brakes may also be slipping. A faulty disc can affect brake performance, so make sure to get it checked. Lastly, if continuous noise occurs right after replacing the brake pads and discs due to material defects or compatibility issues, it may be due to the use of low-quality products or incompatibility with the vehicle. Anyway, the noise might just be a problem, and there may not be any issues with the braking power, but the discomfort remains. So, what should we do when we hear a noise? Take notes on when and what kind of noise occurs when you press the brake. Visit a nearby repair shop for an inspection. Regularly check and replace the pads and discs. To sum up, the brakes are the lifeline of my car. If there is noise, it could be a signal from the vehicle requesting assistance. So don't just ignore it.